Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am gonna install a wig, a laced front wig. See, even have the baby hairs already. This is it, and I bought it on no string. It was $50, and they gave me. Look at it, I love it. Look at it. It was $49.99. It's 20% off. So it came down to like, I think it was $43. So look at this, that's crazy. My original color I said I wanted was this because I love burgundy wigs. So it's burgundy mixed with black. But when I went in the store, I saw the blonde, not really blonde, it's like brown blonde mixed with black. And I'm like, oh, that's nice. So I was like, I asked the lady for it, and she was like, they don't have that one, they have burgundy. I was like, oh, even better. So let me just get the burgundy one and see. 1, 2, 3 combs and the extended thing. Yeah, I don't really know much about wigs, like how to install it. I'll be watching videos, but I watch Aaliyah J, I watch Petite Sue, and I watch other people too. But Aaliyah J, you know, Aaliyah J is good for doing lace wigs, so I'll be watching her a lot. But I'm in love with this wig. But let's get to installing these edges together. I washed my hair last week, and the shrinkage is still there. So like I washed it the second day. I mean, I braided the second day, like the next day. I washed it Saturday and I braided Sunday. So my shrinkage is still there. So don't come for me. Well, nah, I can't believe I'm on camera like this though, but whatever. Get these edges in. Get the side edges in. And get the got to be. I'm doing what I see people do. Just spray it around here. Oh, this shit cold. It burns. Why does it burn? Put this stocking cap on. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna do it like this. I don't got time. It's too much. So you blow dry it. Okay. Then, so I'm gonna move the hooks from the wig and connect it to the other hook so it'll be tight enough. It won't feel so loose. Now they're both here. So what I do is I connect it. I could do it and I put it on, but you know what? I am gonna do it and I put it on. I'm gonna put it on right now. I have the comb in the back. Connect it. Oh, nice tight. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I had the hook on the thing. Oh, woo! I love this color on me, boy. Okay, it's like, oh my god, I love this. This wig is nice. Tell me this wig is not nice. Ooh. Let me see. Let me take all the baby ears. Oh shit! I have a lace under. What the heck, girl? Get it together. Get it together. I gotta know. I gotta come up close. I don't know how to cut this thing. Oh man. I was sprayed again. I'm bugging. I keep forgetting. See, I'm new to this. Don't judge me. Now I gotta pull the lace forward. See, I'm like, kudos to y'all, because this is what I don't got time for. I don't have time for these. Okay. Jesus Christ. Back to the blow dryer again. I gotta cut this off. Wait a minute. This color is so nice. I love this color. I love this. Oh, how am I gonna do the I gotta figure this out. Oh, it's a hot. It's low. This is a lot of work. Oh, Lord. Okay. Now I gotta see. Gotta cut this lace. I should have cut this before I put it on my hair. Okay, how I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in the middle. That's all I see they do it. And then, oh, be careful. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. So let me see how I'm gonna do this. Bro, this is so hard. Oh, I can't see properly. Oh shit. Oh, that's my, oh. I think I'm supposed to clip. Lord of mercy. This is hard. I usually cut the lace off. I should have just did that. Cut the lace off first. Cut the lace off. So let's try this again. Alright, so this is done. I'm gonna use this glue. This Ultra Bond glue I got from Walmart. But I'm gonna, it's not coming out. It's taking forever to come out. It's so hard. Okay, I don't think I even need that much. But let me, ooh. Hey, sit down. Yo, the struggle. That is the struggle for me. Oh, it's on my hair. Oh my god. Put the comb. There's a comb. Oh, wow. That's not where the comb is? Why the comb so far? Do I even need the comb though? I don't think I do. Alright, so let's get in the glue in. For me, it's sticky. I need to tie this thing down, but I don't feel like tying nothing out, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna eat and just I don't got no mousse, so I'm using conditioner with water. I don't even feel like doing a baby hair. It's the only piece I can find right now. Where the rest at? Oh, I don't feel like doing a baby hair. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tuck it. I don't normally do baby hair anyway. I don't feel like doing a baby hair. But I'm trying to see how it will look. So I'm not doing a baby hair right now. I think some of them is in the edges, like it's glued in. I don't got time. Let's see how it look in the front. Oh, as if. Y'all know that movie, right? Y'all know that movie. Y'all know this movie, right? But yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna use my Fenty makeup. So I'm just getting a piece. Get my Fenty concealer. This is 420. Both of them is 420. So set for a minute. I'm just gonna get these curls in. Time to use the setting powder, Bake Setting Powder She Glam. So I got this from Shein. So I'm gonna use a little bit setting powder. Oh, nothing on there. I thought I had something on there. Oops. Okay, so this here just needs some mousse and then it's good. Other than that, I think some of the makeup catch over here too. But listen, it's still a video and I'm posting it. But so I was looking. I need some mousse though. Once I get my mousse, I'm good. So guys, this is the end of the video. Tell me how y'all like it. Tell me how I'm looking. Like this. Even though I didn't have no mousse, I should have been using that. I keep forgetting that I have gel. Because I don't wear my natural hair out that much. So I'll be forgetting I have gel. But
celebrities, they always go stupid with their money.
you're more body, right?
It's simple.
So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.